Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint our 4th of July paint kit. I'm going to go in with some red paint and the largest brush in the pack, which is a number 12 flat, and I'm going to paint the stripes on my Gnome's hat. Now I'm going in with that same brush and the navy blue that's provided. And each of these kits are going to come with the paint that you need, the brushes, and a Sharpie brush stroke marker. So everything you need to complete the project. I'm going in now with my apple barrel white to paint the stripes on his hat and also to go in and fill in his beard. I just went in with tan for his nose. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of black and fill in his sunglasses. And you guys, these paint kits are available for purchase on buildacross.com. We have many different options to choose from for all the different seasons. And just swap out to a smaller brush whenever you're going in for the more detailed areas. I'm using a number 6 round here. And then I'm going to swap over to the number 4 round and some white paint to fill in my stars. And don't worry if you get a bit outside the lines here, because when everything dries, we'll go in and outline, and that'll clean up any mistakes you might have made. Now I've given everything plenty of time to dry completely, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker that is provided in your kit, and I'm going to outline everything following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. So this step is super easy. I'm not having to try to think about anything or figure out the lines myself. I'm just following the pre-etched lines. And if you wanted to go in with paint, you could use the number 4 round and the black paint that's provided. But the Sharpie marker is definitely easiest to me. You could also use it to go in and do some hand lettering in his beard if you wanted to. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round, which is my smallest round brush, and my white paint, and I'm going to highlight everything. And whenever I highlight sunglasses, I like to do a little squiggly line just to kind of make it look like the glass is shining. And then that will complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.